Hi, my name is Hafiz Abbas. Today I will be discussing whether contract or terms of service agreed to by clicking on I agree button should be enforceable. This issue is increasingly important in our digital lives, and I will be sharing court decisions, legal opinions, and laws that support my opinion or support my position. Next slide. Clickwrap agreements are digital contracts where a user must actively click I agree before proceeding. In legal term, these contracts are valid because they meet the traditional requirement, offers, acceptance, and consideration. Courts have repeatedly ruled that clicking I agree can count as a real acceptance of the term. Next slide. Let's look at the court ruling. In Specht versus Netscape, the court refused to enforce the agreement because user did not see the terms before downloading. But in a register.com versus Verio and Meyer versus Uber, the court enforced the agreements because the user either rapidly used the service or were clearly presented with the terms before clicking. Next slide. A Uniform Electronics Transactions Act and the eSign Act both support the user both both supports the use of electronic contracts. Judge also emphasized that if the user had a chance to see the terms, the contract is enforceable. As Judge Chin said in the Specht case, clarity and the proper notice are key. Next slide. Some says these contracts should not count because people rarely read them, but the law does not require reading. It requires a chance to read. If user ignore the terms, that's on them. These contracts are essential to digital business and protect both sides. In conclusion, the click-wrap agreements should absolutely be enforceable, court uphold them, laws protect them, and they meet all the legal standards. As long as users are clearly informed, clicking I agree create a valid contract just like a signing on a paper. Here are my references including court ruling, federal laws, and the legal scholarship that support the enforceability of click-wrap agreements. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope it helped clarity how and why online click agreements are legally enforceable. Thank you. My name is Hafiz Abbas.